going to interrupt the video really quick to mention that I finally created an Instagram. I will be posting some cool pictures and short exhaust and driving clips on there, so go check me out, nw.auto. Thank you guys for watching. I will be driving an Audi RS5 later this week. I plan on recording a pretty similar video to this one with the RS5. So subscribe if that sounds like something you'd be interested in.